Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. So today we are going to change the belt yet again on this Panasonic Walkman. So this is the RQ V187, and as you can see, a bit fat, but a good Walkman. So there you go, you hear the motor, but there's no turning of the spools. So let's get into this one, and again we have a rusted screw. Let's hope that it isn't too difficult to get out. Alright, so that came out easy enough, thankfully. And I believe that's it. I believe that's all. We have some clips. So we're just gonna desolder the ribbon cable because we need to clean inside. And yet again we have some kind of glue. Again, not great, but that seems to be the way to go about it, without doing the most damage, it appears. Alright, here goes the test. Alright, that seems to be good. Seems to be working. And perfect. Okay, so basically it just started working just now. I don't know exactly why, but there is something else wrong with it, because it just burned me. I believe it's this diode, I think, or something else in this vicinity. So something gets hot real quick in here, and so there is another problem besides the belt. And for this one, I'm just gonna put it back together and ask the owner if he wants me to investigate it a bit further, or if he wants me to leave it like this. So let's try it again, just for giggles, but I shouldn't really, because the thing that really gets hot, I don't want it to actually burn away. It's actually working just fine now. So let's just call that a win for now, and I'm gonna see what's wrong with it in a future date. I hope that this was helpful. If it was, leave a thumbs up, it always helps, and you can subscribe to the channel. And until next time, this was the Electron Age. Bye.